Today, we're going to talk about stock investment, a crucial element in building wealth and securing your financial future. Investing in the stock market is one of the most powerful ways to generate passive income, and in this video, we're going to discuss the importance of stock investment, the best way to invest in stocks, and recommend some books that can help you improve your knowledge of the stock market. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated on our latest videos. Stock investment is an important tool for building wealth, and it has the potential to yield high returns over time. One of the reasons why stock investment is so popular is that it allows you to own a small piece of a company and participate in its growth. As the company grows, so does the value of your investment. Additionally, investing in stocks provides the opportunity to earn passive income through dividends, which are a portion of a company's profits distributed to its shareholders. However, investing in stocks also comes with risks. The value of your investment can fluctuate based on market conditions, and there's always a possibility that you could lose some or all of your money. That's why it's important to have a long-term approach and diversify your portfolio. The key to successful stock investing is to have a long-term approach and to be patient. It's essential to have a diversified portfolio, which means investing in a range of stocks across different sectors and industries. This can reduce your risk and increase your chances of earning a profit. Investing in index funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, is also a great way to minimize risk. Index funds and ETFs offer exposure to a diverse range of stocks and are less risky than investing in individual stocks. These investment vehicles also have lower fees compared to actively managed funds, making them a cost-effective option for investors. Another thing to keep in mind is that you should never invest money that you cannot afford to lose. If you're looking to learn more about stock investment and the stock market, there are a ton of great books out there that can help. Here are a few of our favorites. First, The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. This classic book is a must-read for any serious investor, and it provides a great overview of value investing. Graham emphasizes the importance of fundamental analysis and identifying undervalued stocks. Second, One Up on Wall Street by Peter Lynch. This book is a great introduction to growth investing, and it provides practical advice on how to find the best stocks to invest in. Third, The Little Book of Common Sense Investing by John C. Bogle. This book is a great resource for anyone looking to invest in index funds or ETFs. Bogle is the founder of Vanguard, one of the largest investment management companies in the world, and his approach to investing is based on simplicity and low fees. In conclusion, investing in stocks can be a great way to build wealth and secure your financial future. However, it's important to have a long-term approach and diversify your portfolio. Additionally, reading books on stock investment can help you improve your knowledge and make informed investment decisions. We hope that the knowledge and insights shared in this video will help you on your journey to becoming a successful investor and ultimately achieve financial freedom.